Hello everyone. Our today's topic is electromagnetic spectrum. In this video, we will first see how electromagnetic waves are arranged in electromagnetic spectrum and a short trick to remember the name of the waves and the order in which they fit in electromagnetic spectrum. I have also discussed about what are EM waves, their property and uses of each type of wave. So let's start. Have you ever tuned in to listen to a radio spoken on a mobile, turn on light, had a X-ray taken, felt the heat of the sun on your skin? If yes, then you have experienced the electromagnetic waves. These waves can be emitted or absorbed by matter. So first we will see how these waves are arranged in electromagnetic spectrum. So these are the waves. We have radio wave, microwave, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-ray and gamma rays. These waves are arranged from low frequency range towards high frequency range. Means radio waves will have low frequency and gamma rays will have highest frequency. So the question is asked sometime to arrange these waves in ascending or descending order of their frequency or wavelength. So let's take the first letter from each waveform and form an acronym. So I will take R of radio wave, M of microwave, I of infrared, L of visible light, U of ultraviolet, X of X-ray, G of gamma ray. So I have formed this acronym. Rich man in London use Xerox gun. So you can use this acronym to remember the name of the waves and also the order of the waves. So R will stand for radio wave, M for microwave, I for infrared, L for light, that is visible light, U for ultraviolet, X for X-ray, G for gamma rays. You can even try your own acronym. Now let's see what are electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves are produced by simultaneous vibration of electric and magnetic field. The electric and magnetic field in electromagnetic waves vibrate perpendicular to each other. These waves travel at a speed of 3 × 10⁸ meter per second, which is the speed of light. These waves obey the wave equation C is equal to lambda f, where C is the speed of wave, which is 3 × 10⁸ meter per second. F is the frequency, means waves per second, and is measured in hertz. Lambda is the wavelength. It is a distance from peak of one wave to the next one, and the unit is meter. The frequency and wavelength are inversely proportional to each other. Means as the frequency increases, wavelength will decrease. So as we go from radio waves, microwave, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-ray towards gamma rays, the frequency will go on increasing, but the wavelength will decrease. So in this table you can see that visible light spectrum has a wavelength between 700 to 400 nanometer. The visible light spectrum will consist of red, orange, yellow, green, blue and violet color. The gamma rays will be having the lowest wavelength less than 0.01 nanometer. Now let's see some of the application of each type of wave. So first we will see of radio waves. Radio waves are longer in wavelength and lower in frequency. These waves are used in radio and TV broadcast. Microwaves are used in radar, microwave ovens, telecommunication and mobile communication. Infrared are used in laser metal cutting, night vision, night photography, remote control, alarm system. It can also be used to see if someone is having fever or not. Visible light is the part of spectrum that can be detected by human eye. So it mainly makes things able to see. So we can use the visible light for fiber optics communication. Ultraviolet are absorbed by the skin. They can be used in fluorescent tube. UV radiation can be used in hospital to sterilize surgical instruments. X-rays are used in hospital for scanning structure of bone, airport security, etc. Gamma rays are used for killing bacteria, to sanitize medical equipments, for radiotherapy. Despite their cancer-causing property, gamma rays are also used to treat some type of cancer in a particular limit of wavelength. The biggest gamma ray generator is all of the universe. Some radioactive substance and certain nuclear reactions also produce gamma rays. So these were some of the application of each type of wave. Now, if we see the visible light, and to the left of visible light we find type of energy that is lower in frequency. Now this type of radiations we are constantly surrounded by and are not harmful because of low energy. But to the right of visible light spectrum we have UV, X-ray and gamma rays having extremely high energy, and that is the reason this type of radiations are harmful to living organisms. That is why too much exposure to UV rays can cause sunburn, wrinkle, skin cancer, etc. So it is recommended to use sunscreen lotion to protect from UV rays. X-ray technicians also place a lead shield over them. Gamma rays are highest in energy and most dangerous, but luckily our atmosphere absorbs gamma rays from outer surface, thus protecting us. So this was all about electromagnetic spectrum, electromagnetic waves and their application. Hope the contents will be useful to all of you. Thank you and see you in the next one.